With this motion detector, you're going to loosen the screw that's on the bottom until it comes off, and if you just push this up a little bit, then it will pop right off. And that's how you get the back plate on. Then you're going to put the 2 screws into the side and screw it into the wall to be able to secure the back plate. Put this back on and screw in the bottom to secure it. The battery opens up on the inside, and so you can just pop this open right here, and then you're going to put this new battery in right there. Make sure you have it polarized the correct way. Put the cover back on, snap it onto the back plate once it's mounted, and secure it at the bottom. So with these motions, you're going to take the back off by unscrewing the screw, and then the front will come off, and then you're going to screw it into the side. Just do 2 on the exact same side, even if you're doing it into a 90-degree corner. Don't ever do opposites because it'll bend them. And once you've got your screws in, you just pop this back on. Make sure that the screw is facing down, and tighten your screw, and it's all done.